Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Coinsbit, a powerful cryptocurrency exchange platform designed to cater to both new traders and seasoned investors. Coinsbit offers a seamless trading experience with its intuitive interface and advanced trading tools, making it an ideal choice for crypto enthusiasts worldwide. To start, navigate to the Coinsbit homepage, where you'll see a clean, organized layout showcasing the latest trading pairs and market trends. The registration process is straightforward. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner and fill out your email, password, and basic details. After verifying your email, you'll be directed to set up two-factor authentication, ensuring your account's security. Once inside, explore the dashboard. Coinbit supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous altcoins. To deposit funds, go to the Wallet section, choose your preferred cryptocurrency, and click Deposit. A unique wallet address will be generated for your transaction. For fiat deposits, Coinbit supports multiple payment methods, offering flexibility for users across different regions. Head over to the Trade section to start trading. You'll find advanced charts powered by TradingView, enabling you to perform technical analysis. Set limit, market, or stop limit orders based on your strategy. The trading fees are competitive, with additional discounts available for high-volume traders. Coinsbit also offers an innovative staking feature, where you can earn passive income by locking up your tokens. Don't miss the Marketplace section, which allows you to purchase real-world goods with cryptocurrency. Before the most important action, here's a quick tip. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Finally, Coinbit places a high priority on security, employing cold storage solutions, DDoS protection, and SSL encryption to safeguard your funds. If you encounter any issues, their customer support team is available 24/7. Sign up now using the link in the description to get a bonus as a new user and start your trading journey with Coinsbit today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights and tutorials.